Schrodinger's cat. Imagine opening a box to find a cat both alive and dead simultaneously. This isn't dark magic, but a thought experiment in physics. Erwin Schrödinger, in 1935, posed this scenario to show the weirdness of quantum mechanics. Inside a sealed box is a cat, a flask of poison, and a radioactive source. If the atom decays, poison is released and the cat dies. If not, the cat lives. Quantum rules suggest that until we look, the atom is in a superposition of decayed and not decayed states, making the cat both dead and alive at once. It's only when we peek inside that the cat chooses to be one or the other. Origin. Schrödinger imagined this in a conversation with Einstein, aiming to critique the Copenhagen interpretation of quantum theory. Wanted to highlight a seeming absurdity. How can a macroscopic cat be both? Unless observation somehow magically forces reality to pick one outcome. Real life. We actually keep boxes of cats around for experiments. Schrödinger's cat was never meant to be done on a real feline. The paradox captures a real phenomenon. At microscopic scales, particles can indeed exist in multiple states at once until measured. Modern quantum computing and atomic experiments show tiny objects in such both states. Technology like MRI machines, semiconductors, and future quantum computers rely on understanding these principles. Insights. Schrödinger's cat forces us to question when and how reality becomes definite. It teaches that the act of observation affects what we see, a profound lesson about our role in interpreting the world. This paradox opened new ways to think about information, measurement, and even how to handle probabilities in physics. Confusion. Of course, the idea is deeply counterintuitive. Cats don't normally exist in limbo, and this story makes many feel uneasy. It blurs the line between reality and theory, prompting us to ask, at what scale does observation create truth? Even experts debate whether the cat is truly both alive and dead, or if this is just a byproduct of our mathematical description. This strange duality can leave everyone a bit unsettled, showing that the quantum world doesn't fit with everyday logic.